Hello there. Welcome to our Business Idea series, a place where we get to explore business ideas you've probably never thought of. In today's episode, we'll be looking at how to start a local cafe. Before we get right to it, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Business Ideas 365, and click the notification bell for more amazing business ideas. Let's get it on. If you're like most people, you begin your day with a cup of coffee. Stats suggest that people drink over 2.5 billion cups of coffee every day. The ready-to-drink market, which also includes coffee shops, are expected to grow by over 50% within the next 2 years. Now, if you've been thinking of combining your love for coffee with your entrepreneurial spirit, this may be the right time to open a coffee shop. Here's what you need to know about opening a coffee shop. Number 1. Research. Opening a cafe does not happen overnight. It's a venture that typically requires a lot of investment in both time and money. Unless you are willing to throw away over $50,000, it's essential that you spend time to understand what makes a successful cafe. This may include reaching out to others in the business and finding out what works and what doesn't. You may be surprised at the level of information you may get by simply asking the manager of your favorite cafe shop. Visiting lots of cafes is a great way to draw insight into what your business should look like. During your visits, you should look out for things that you can do differently and learn more about what customers need. The world has gone digital, and a lot of brick-and-mortar businesses have some online presence. It may be worth reading customers' reviews on sites like Yelp and Facebook. Number 2. Define your vision. No doubt you have big plans, we all do. You probably picture your cafe as already running. But that's a rather broad spectrum. How do you want your cafe to look? Will it be a modern, retro, family-friendly, health-focused, or sophisticated? What category of customers do you want to serve? What's going to be on your menu? Having a clear vision will help you target your audience. Remember, you cannot be everything to everyone. Your vision will also help you to be consistent when it comes to branding, choosing a business name, planning your menu, picking your serving materials, and generally how you interact with customers. Number 3. Business plan. Whilst you may be tempted to skip this step, I strongly recommend that you don't. Trust me, a business plan is not too much work. The real benefits of a business plan have less to do with the final document and more to do with the process. In writing a business plan, you will be exposed to how your local market works. This will become a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow your cafe. I know there are hundreds and maybe thousands of business plan templates on Google. If you are serious about your business, these should only serve as a guide. I strongly encourage you to go through the process of doing your own research and writing your own business plan. Number 4. Location. A solid business plan, a clear vision, and some kick-ass research are not going to save your business if it is sited at the wrong location. Location is very critical for the overall success of your business. About 3 years ago, I launched a drive-by barbecue spot close to my home. My store was just beside my house, so I didn't have to deal with transportation costs. However, I got my entire location wrong. From having to deal with power issues to generally low traffic around the area, the skills of my employees couldn't sustain the business for more than 3 months. After investing a significant sum into the business, I was forced to shut down after 3 months. You don't want this to happen to you. You need to pay close attention to the traffic flow in your desired location. How many people are on foot? How much parking space is available? Is your location visible enough? Is there enough traffic to sustain your business? What kind of food do the locals like? Are there too many cafes around your vicinity? Answering these questions will help you choose a perfect spot. Remember that you will be spending a lot of time in your cafe, so you should settle for a suburb that you enjoy spending time in. Number 5. Roll with the best suppliers. Your business is only as good as the products you sell. Finding good and reliable suppliers is another key component to running a successful cafe. Depending on your menu, your major suppliers will provide things like milk, coffee, groceries, bread, and other fresh produce. The list is somewhat endless, but start by making a list of the things you need. Try to be as detailed as possible. From here, you can start searching for suppliers in each category. Having 2 or more suppliers in each category could safeguard you from a possible disappointment in the future. You don't want to run out of milk because of a supplier. Number 6. Hire the right people. This is the final and arguably the most important step to starting and running a successful local cafe. Your customers will be interacting with your employees most of the time. Most experienced cafe owners will also tell you that the biggest issue with running a cafe is finding and keeping great staff. Personally, I feel that attitude will beat experience most times. An experienced staff with a bad attitude is not better than an inexperienced staff with a charismatic attitude. After all, they can learn on the job. Try to look for a good balance between attitude and experience. Adding a good training system and staff review mechanisms will also help you in the long run. In summary, starting and growing a cafe business requires fitting the tastes of your local community, marketing to your target audience, and providing reasons why new customers should come in and try your food. From Business Ideas 365, we wish you good luck.